crystal is our flagship for the Siemens cities business. It's one of the most sustainable buildings in the world, and it uses about 50% less energy than comparable buildings. We wanted to show what the crystal has inside. So having like this wonderful hub for dialogue and this wonderful exhibition we do have inside the crystal, and we wanted to show this story on the surface of the crystal, and that's what Innovision did for us.
Siemens wanted a series of projections to convey the principle behind their building. So we've developed a mapping projection which goes on the outside of their building.
These projection mapping shows tend to be quite decorative, and I think the feeling that Siemens had was that they wanted to really get a lot more message into this film than most people normally do. The big challenge with this building is that it's a very distinctive design. Trying to make images work on the surface was much more difficult than it would be with a conventional neoclassical building. We got a LiDAR scan done of the building. It's a machine with a laser which produces a really super accurate 3D model of the building. We've installed a projector so that we could actually watch our edit on a representation of what the building was, and to show how the image interacted with the building itself.
We're working with a team of very, very capable technicians, all of whom have had experience of doing this before.
Pretty much any one time, a maximum of 72 crew on site as well. The first challenge has to be the location. Projecting onto glass, we need to put something on the building that gives us obviously some sort of medium to project onto.
We've used a material called contravision, which is essentially a vinyl which is perforated. It allows the reflective quality of the exterior of the building to still be seen in daylight, yet gives us a nice matte surface to project the building mapping projections onto.
We have to design a projection rig that will cover the building, making as much use of the resolution of the projectors and the light output of the projectors. And in this case, negotiating the architectural extrusions of the building and also negotiating other architectural features in the landscape.
We're using 18 projectors here, which is approximately 40,000 lumens we're throwing onto one side of the building.
We're hugely proud of the projection mapping. Obviously, we've worked with Siemens for a really long time to ensure that everything is on brand and delivering the correct message. And the messaging is all around future cities, sustainability, and what we need to do now to change in order to shape the future.
For Innovision to do building mapping projections of this scale is very exciting, especially for a blue chip client like Siemens.